Do you want to create multiple streams of income with a brand that you create? Watch me do it in 15 minutes. Hello, my YouTube people. How you doing today? It is Vlogmas the 13th. Ooh. So today we did something really special. So I go to the Dollar Tree and I pick this guy up. Well, there's nothing special about him. He's just a little plastic nutcracker. You know, he's cute. You know, he's $1.25, Dollar Tree. And I had a spider web tray that I had left over from Halloween. So I said today, in honor of Vlogmas the 13th, I renamed it Creepmas. So in honor of Creepmas, I went ahead and decided that I was going to show everybody how to create your own brand and your own franchise in less than a half an hour. So we all know about Elf on the Shelf. Yesterday I demonstrated poop in a group. So to ride the wave of in celebration of Creepmas, I decided to give the Elf on the Shelf a cousin. From far, far away in the forgotten corner of the North Pole, I bring you Jingle Jeb in the Web. Jeb in the Web is a spin-off of Elf on the Shelf. So what did I do? I know that there's a lot of people who like the franchise Nightmare Before Christmas. So I happen to be one of those people that love Nightmare Before Christmas. And I think that this is a niche that has gone really uncharted. The only thing that has a goth kind of Christmas theme to it is the Nightmare Before Christmas. And that movie was so brilliant that to this day it still wows me every time I watch it. I think that it is a magnificent story. I think that it was brilliantly created, and I really give Tim Burton a lot of kudos for creating a film like that. It was a tremendous amount of work to get that film done. So I decided to have a little fun today for Creepmas, and I went ahead and I created Jingle Jeb. So again, I went to the Dollar Tree and used this guy, and you are going to see the creation of Jingle Jeb. Keep watching. And here he is. And Jingle Jeb lives in a web. And it jingles. So this is where he lives. So he's not creepy, he's not scary, he's just a little dark. But he's not scary. He's not intended to be something scary to scare kids. It's just meant to be lighthearted humor, and he's just different. He is different, and he embraces, the point of Jingle Jeb is that he embraces all of our little quirks and teaches us that it's okay to be different, and that's his message. So I created a whole little backstory, and what I'm doing here is that I am showing you how we can create brands and how we can generate multiple streams of income and ride the wave of these franchises. So in the coming videos, I am going to continue this franchise of Jeb in the web and show you how to generate multiple streams of income and how to build out that franchise step by step so that you can see how the process works. So I took it to ChatGPT and I entered the idea. I gave him the name, I gave the description, I gave what I wanted it to do, and I asked ChatGPT to generate a story, and it did. But in order to do that, you cannot rely on ChatGPT to do all of the work. You have to feed it, and you have to give ChatGPT the idea and all of the details if you want this product to be 100% your own. And then you have to go in with what ChatGPT has given you and then rewrite it, put it into Grammarly, put your own spin on it, put your own magic on it. And there you have a creation of your brand and of the start of your franchise. It could be a toy, it could be a character, it could be whatever it is that you want. It could be a product. It's not limited to a toy or a character or anything like that. It is really what you want to put out there. My background happens to be, I was a licensor of Disney for many, many, many years, for over 20 years. So I developed that sense of branding and that sense of creation. So I want to teach you that. I want to teach you how to go ahead and how to create a brand, market it, franchise it, create multiple streams of income from it, and really maximize your idea to the best of its ability. One idea, this does not have to just be a creation of a toy or a figurine that I just made. Technically speaking, this is a DIY, but this is the DIY part. The franchise creation comes from the story that we fed ChatGPT. When I created him, I designed what I wanted him to look like, what I wanted him to be wearing, what I wanted him to be holding, what the meaning of this whole Jingle Jeb was, and why did he live in a web. There is an entire story to this little character right here, and it just goes as far as my imagination wanted it to go. So this is not a hard thing to do. All you have to do is have a little bit of an imagination and an idea, and you yourself can do something like this and branch it off and create your streams of income. So if you like this video, if you like the content, press like, press subscribe, and my favorite thing, always comment. Let me know what you think of Jingle Jeb in the web. Even his little house jingles. And that's the little backstory of Jingle Jeb. Whenever he's around, he spins a little web in the corner and you hear the little jingle bells. And he's not a little tattletale like his cousin, the elf on the shelf, who tattles on all of the kids and tells Santa who's being naughty and nice. Jingle Jeb helps you embrace your flaws and your quirks because he knows that that's what makes you. So do not be misled. Although this character is a little bit on the darker side, he's very lovable and his message is a positive message. Now this can be marketed to, you know, you have stores like Hot Topic and you have stores like Spencer's and you have stores like that that are very, very popular. And I can see something like this just going into one of those stores and really taking off because it is such a cute idea and it is such a cute story. So I hope that you enjoyed the creation of Jingle Jeb and the story of Creepmas. Stay tuned when I bring him back in order to show you how many streams of income we could create with this adorable little guy. I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas number 14. Peace.